Met Jurk. Hallo.
Hey, good morning, this is your Sheraton. Yes, this is the tourist train called CST, and we're conducting a virtual survey to better understand social activities and preferences. Can you allow me to please?
Cozy well around, peace all inside. Cozy well of sound, don't bring to sight.
Luckily, a short study alcoholic drinks.
Stars are falling down, high bright horizon, central line is the sun, won't be there tomorrow, but tonight. But open your world around, don't stop tonight. Open your world of
Consumption of alcoholic drinks.
Okay, I understand that now. How did you get my telephone number? Because I didn't understand. How did you get my telephone number? You called my telephone number. How did you get it? I need to know, otherwise I can't answer your questions. Do you understand me?
Cozy well around.
Pardon?
You have to tell me that. Otherwise I cannot answer your questions. I would love to answer your questions, but you have to tell me that first.
Thank you.
You are rude. You are rude. You are extremely rude. Don't call me again. Never. Ever.